Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the oil of an industrial machine. So we'll be replacing it with this oil. So let's dive right into the video. First thing we're going to do is to raise our machine up. And you can see that the oil is very dirty. I don't know if you can see it properly. The bottom of the tank is dark. So we're going to change this oil and replace it with a new one. First thing we're going to do is to unscrew this screw right here. Because of how dark it is, you can't see the bottom. So we're going to unscrew this nut right here, and once we unscrew it, the oil is going to flow down. So to prevent the oil from spilling on the floor, we're going to put something beneath it so that this oil will go into whatever we're going to put under. I'll be using this ragolis, and this is where the oil will come out from. Once we open it, it's going to come out from here. So I'm going to put a ragolis under here so that the oil can go into the ragolis instead of spilling on the floor. And the oil is flowing into the ragolis. So we successfully drain out the oil. After draining the oil, we're going to clean the pan so that it can become brighter again. So I'm just going to clean the pan. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, click on the notification button, and also like this video in order for you to receive more video like this from us. It's advisable to change the oil every 6 months. So I'm done cleaning the pan, and this is a view of the pan after cleaning. So you can see it's brighter now. So it's not advisable to leave your oil to be dark as this before changing it. And check your machine, your sewing machine, and see if the oil is old enough. It is recommended to change your oil every 6 months. You can decide to change it every 4 months so that your machine can last long. The next thing we're going to do is to screw this back. We're going to screw it back, then replace our oil. If you don't screw it back before pouring the oil, it's going to drain out. Make sure it's tight. Then I'm going to replace this with a new oil using this oil, the sewing machine oil. I'm going to pour it in. You can see in between here there's low and there's high. So you're going to pour it in between. Don't let it exceed the point marked as high. It's better to be in between the high and low. So we successfully replaced the oil, and you can see that it's in between the high and low. It's not exceeding that point marked as high. You can see it clearly. It's in between the high and low. So this is a simple example of how to replace the oil of your industrial sewing machine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also comment. If you have any question, you can ask and I will answer you. So before ending this video, I'm just going to show you the oil that I drained out. This is a picture of the oil I drained out from the machine before replacing it with this. You can see the difference. So don't allow your machine to be this bad, or don't allow the oil to get to this extent before you change your oil from your sewing machine. It's best and recommended you change your machine every 4 months, or highest every 6 months. So I'm just going to place the machine back. And that's all. Thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video, comment, and share to as many as possible.